Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I have an exciting project to share with you. We are going to create a beautiful small garden right in my backyard. It's a simple and fun project that anyone can do, even if you are a beginner in gardening, just like me. So let's dive right in and get our hands dirty. Select a suitable area for your small garden. Look for a sunny spot that you can easily access and appreciate from your home. Now let's clear the area. We want a clean canvas for our garden. I added a lovely bird bath as a centerpiece that will give our feathered friends a place to drink, splash, and cool off. It's decision time. Let's choose the plants that will bring life and beauty to our garden. Pick plants that make you smile and suit your local weather. If you are unsure, don't worry. You can always ask the friendly staff at your local nursery for guidance. Remember, we want plants that will thrive and make our garden shine.
Mom, I feel a bit tired.
Yeah, I know. It's nap o'clock again. Hector loves lounging on the grass while I take care of the garden. I had this old metal stick from a previous bird bath and I got creative with it. I used some E6000 glue to attach a plant pot saucer on top. With a small solar fountain in the saucer, I created a unique DIY fountain for my garden. I don't think it's a good idea to use these pebbles. I'll think about something else later. Transform your resting old things with a quick spray paint makeover. It will give them a fresh new look. Now it's time to create a charming frame for our small garden using plastic parts that I bought recently from dollar store. It was 125 each.
Look, Mom, the birds started coming.
Well, it looks like our garden just became the hottest hangout spot in town for our feathered friends. Enhance your small garden by adding pebbles. These decorative stones bring texture and charm to your outdoor space. And as I've said before, I replaced the white pebbles with the green ones. Please let me know in the comments below which you prefer the most.
I like our new garden so much. Good job, Mom.
Aww, thank you, my dearest. Get creative and personalize your small garden with your favorite decorations. Whether it's cute gnomes, playful squirrels, adorable bunnies, or unique wind spinners. Adding these charming accents will make your garden feel extra special and inviting. Don't forget to include solar lights. These lights will illuminate your outdoor space, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere perfect for enjoying peaceful evenings. A small garden in your backyard supports nature and biodiversity. It attracts bees, butterflies, and birds, helping with pollination and preserving the environment. Gardening is therapeutic. reducing stress and bringing a sense of satisfaction. Create a garden to connect with nature and find peace in your busy life. Add bird feeders and enjoy watching the birds flock to them. It's a delightful way to observe and appreciate nature.
I'm wondering if this food is just for the birds.
Oh, yeah, Hector, it's a bird buffet exclusively. It's off limits, my love. I'm sorry.
Okay, Mom.
Now that our garden is planted, it's important to water it regularly. Check the moisture level of the soil and water accordingly. Remember to weed the garden periodically to keep it clean and tidy. Hector, it's time to come inside so I can cook dinner. Later, we'll head back outside when it's getting dark and we can admire the garden together with the beautiful lights.
Not yet, Mom. Oops. It started raining. Oh no, it's the spray nozzle.
My secret weapon worked. You're coming in. Mission accomplished. Welcome back to the herb garden I created in one of my previous videos. Take a look at how these beautiful herbs have flourished since then. It's a wonderful feeling to see these herbs grow and thrive with one and only rebel of the herb garden. This year is basil. For tonight's dinner, we have delicious chicken thighs paired with perfectly roasted potatoes. Sprinkle salt and pepper over the chicken thighs and some oregano or thyme. Add some virgin olive oil in a frying pan and melt some butter over medium heat. In the meantime, chop a large onion and place the seasoned chicken thighs in the pan and fry them for about 5 minutes on each side until they are browned.
It smells so good. I feel so hungry.
I know, baby. That food aroma is pure torture. I know. In the same pan, with the remaining oil, add the potatoes, carrots, finely chopped onion, garlic, and fry them for about 10 minutes until they start to soften. Transfer them into a baking dish. Add some salt and pepper. And some fresh parsley. Place the chicken thighs on top of the vegetables in the baking dish and In another pan, mix 1 generous tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, and some mustard, but this is optional. Pour the honey sauce mixture over the chicken and vegetables. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 40 minutes. While our delicious dinner is cooking in the oven, let's take a moment to step outside and appreciate the garden as the sun sets. It's a perfect opportunity to embrace the tranquility of nature and enjoy the twilight in our beautiful outdoor space.
I think the dinner is ready. I can smell it.
Oh yes, the dinner is ready. Chicken thighs paired with flavorful feta cheese, juicy tomatoes drizzled with olive oil, sprinkled with oregano and a dash of salt. It's a delightful combination of flavors that truly satisfies the taste buds. I'm enjoying this delicious meal with a glass of white wine. It's the perfect pairing. Thank you for joining me today and being a part of this incredible journey. Remember, you don't need a big space to create something beautiful. Start small and watch your garden grow, just like your passion for nature. Let's embrace the joy of nurturing life together. Happy gardening! If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new content. Thank you once again for being a part of this amazing community. Kisses and hugs from me and Hector.
Bye.
Bye!